Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing, never mind, we're going to be doing addition, and as you can see we already have the problems written down here. -5 plus +9, and that would equal +4, and this is the other addition problem. -21 plus +9, which equals -12. And the rule is if signs are the same, we add the if signs are the same value, we add and keep their sign. Like technically like that. So if you just make it, if you have the same sign, like 5 plus 5, then that would equal 10. So as you can see, you keep the same sign. If you add -1 plus -10, that equals -11.
Now we're going to be doing subtraction, and our first problem is -12 minus 6. Now the rule is when you're subtracting, you add the opposite. So to change it, you'd have -12 plus -6, and that would get you 18, which would be negative. Okay, and our second problem is -7 minus 5, and to rewrite it, it would be -7 plus -5, which would give us -12. Okay, Okay, so if we have 7 times -7 times 3, it equals -21. And if we have +11 times -2, it will equal -22. The rule is same signs positive, different signs negative.
Okay. Next, we're going to be doing division. And our first problem will be 7 would be, wait, scratch that. It would be 45 divided by 45 divided by 5. And that would give us -9. And our second problem will be 21 divided by 5, which will give us 4.2. our next subject will be PEMDAS. And the way PEMDAS works is that the way that it will work is that you would have PEMDAS written in 6 boxes. And you would write PEMDAS and all the letters will be separated in each box. And the P means parentheses. Which means that if you have an equation like 5 plus 12, you would do that equation first, which will give us, I think, 18. And the E would mean exponents, like 3 by the power of 2. By doing this, you would have to put 2 3's and multiply them, which would give us 9. And the 2 other boxes would equal multiplying or division. By that meaning is that you would just multiply or you would just divide. And the last one will be addition or subtraction. Technically, you would have to do either addition, which would be or you could do subtraction.
Okay, our first example would be this. So first you do parentheses. So 21 plus 3 is 24. Then you bring all this stuff down. Then you do this multiplication. Equals 120. Then you do this multiplication. $140. It would equal 160. Okay. Our second example is going to be this one, and you're going to have 5 plus 3, which is 8, to the third power, which is 512. And then since it's plus 150, we're going to do 512 minus 150 plus 2. So we got 512 minus 150. That's 362, and then you have to add 2 more, which gives you 364.
Our last example would be our last example would be our last example would be 3 plus 4 to the power of 2 plus 35 minus negative. So first we do 3 plus 4, which is 7. Then we take the 4, wait, scratch all that. First, you would do 4 to the power of 2, which would multiply 4 times 4 equals 16. Then you add those together, which would make 7. If you add those together, you would get 13. Wait, scratch all that. Scratch all that. So first you would do 3 plus 4, which would be 7. Then I take 2. And then I multiply 7 times 7, which would equal 49. Then I would take 35, 49, which we would add. Then you would take 4 plus 3, which would make 7 plus another one, which would make 84. Then you would take 100, subtract it by 80, give you the answer of 16. Negative.